60 plots of land sold with this strategy, with this real estate funnel that I'm about to show you. All right. So my name is Blessed Uchedu. I help realtors get clients using this strategy. So let's go straight into the video. Now, the real reason why my real estate funnel starts on WhatsApp, and I'm going to show you the kind of WhatsApp strategy, not the one that you are used to or you know. All right, so let's go in. We have used this strategy to close multiple real estate deals. Okay, so let's go into the video. Now, the biggest mistake realtors make is that most realtors run meta ads. Meta ads is the same thing as the Facebook ads and the Instagram ads. All right, so many realtors, this is the mistake they make. They run meta ads. Okay, so the next thing is that they begin to send the leads. Okay, now when the leads send a message, right? Okay, let me take it freshly. The biggest mistake realtors make is that most realtors run meta ads. And what are meta ads? Meta ads are Facebook ads and Instagram ads. Okay, now the next thing is that when the ads is active, they get in leads. The leads send in message, or the leads are directed to a lead form, or the leads are directed to a landing page. Now, these are the most common ways how I see a lot of realtors run meta ads. Okay, now when they do this, the realtors immediately start selling. They begin to pitch the leads immediately, like hoping for them to buy, like that. So they call them on the phone and begin to try to close them, or they call them on the phone and try to make them book an inspection, or they call them on the phone and try to undo all of their objections. Okay, doing this from a lead that just saw your ad in one day. Okay, and what happened next? Many leads stop replying the conversation, or they ignore the calls, or they don't even reply the message. Okay, because there was no relationship built, no trust was built at all. Now, this is the funnel. This is the way they do this, and don't do this anymore. All right. So they run meta as they send the traffic to the WhatsApp DM or to a landing page or to a form where the lead send a form, and after that, the realtor begins to call the lead, hoping to close. Now, in this place, it brings a lot of disappointment and a lot of you don't close deals. Low conversion rate. This leads to a lot of low conversion rate. All right. So you don't do this if you don't want to waste your money on running ads. Okay, now let me show you the system that we use. This is one of the systems that we use. All right. We run meta ads, which is the Facebook and Instagram ads. We direct the lead to our WhatsApp community or WhatsApp group. All right. Now, in that WhatsApp group, in 30 to 90 days, the leads are nurtured. They are not pressured into buying like ASAP. Like the leads are nurtured. And what are they? How are they being nurtured? They are sent property updates, educational updates, return on investment update. The reason why they should invest and what are the advantages. Now, in that same community, we hold webinars. All right, we hold webinars in that community. We hold talk sections. Now, these are the things that are important that I make sure the realtors I work with do. All right, okay, all these things are being done 30 to 90 days. Now, also, when we run meta ads, the goal is to get a lot of leads. So, for instance, the goal is to get 1,000 leads into that WhatsApp community. Okay, so let me tell you one of the experience that we had before now. All right, so a few years ago, we run a campaign just like this one. That this was years back. Now, when we run the ad campaign, we direct them into the WhatsApp community, inside the WhatsApp DM. Okay, not the community. We send them into WhatsApp DM like this, and a form. Yes, where they fill the form, they put in their phone number. Then we call the leads. Okay, of course, we enter into some leads that are not ready to buy, but there's this particular lady that was ready to buy. But we discovered that she had this lot of fear factor. She was so scared, she was so worried if she was actually dealing with a rights company. She was dealing with a rights company, or nobody wants to get scammed, you get. So she actually came for inspection, but she still had this fear factor. And this happened a lot of the time where there is no trust, no relationship has been built in the mind of the client. All right. Now we moved from this model to this model where when we get the lead, we add them into the WhatsApp community. We had 1,000 of them into the WhatsApp community. Okay. So when that is done, we educate them. They see more of the brand um, uh, um, site tours, pictures, educational content, more webinars where the leads can talk to you one on one. All of them can ask questions at the same time and you respond at the same time. Okay. More human communication is involved online and they are being nurtured in that way. And this has helped to build more trust and to make them to be more relaxed, okay, when dealing with them. And has helped to close multiple deals. It has helped to close multiple deals by using this funnel. Okay. So now why a WhatsApp community? A WhatsApp community lets you stay connected with every lead in one place. So instead of repeating the same conversation hundred of times, you can share valuable updates with everyone at once. So you can make a post at once and everybody in that community will see it. Everybody in that community will get a notification on their phone. All right. And that helps to build your brand identity. It help you to make them remember you every time. Okay. So now the other part is the other important thing is that you know that trust takes time, right? To build trust, it takes time. So and you also know that buying real estate is a major financial decision. Okay, people really invest after seeing one ad. Okay, you don't expect a lead to see your ad for one day, okay, and they buy in one day. And they buy a property worth 30 million, 50 million in one day of seeing your ad. That will be a difficult one. That will be a difficult one, right? Okay, so using a WhatsApp community, you begin to earn their trust little by little, bit by bit, bit by bit. All right. Okay. So another factor here is why we use WhatsApp communities. Okay, now aside that, so what do you share in the WhatsApp community? You share property launches. So when there are new property launches and you want the community to know about it, you use the WhatsApp community. You send it into the WhatsApp community. Property videos, investment tips, site inspection and update, payment plan information, client testimonials, client success story, answers to common questions. All right, so this keeps the community informed and engaged every time. All right. So another reason why you use the WhatsApp community that it helps you, the realtor, to stay top of mind. Okay, so many leads won't buy this week or in one day, all right. But when they see, when they are ready to invest, they know what to go to because every day they get your updates in the group. Every day they see your brand. Every day they know what your brand is all about. They know that you are all about a property in Lekki or a property in Ajah or in Lagos or in Abuja. They know what your group is all about. So whenever they are ready to buy, they know who to go to. Some lead buy when they've consumed your content 50 times. All right. Some leads buy when they've consumed your content 80 times. Some leads they buy when they've consumed your content 100 times. So leads have different stages and different times when they buy leads. That is why you want to have 1,000 leads or more in your WhatsApp community so that each lead will be ready. You will know that every week a lead will be ready to buy. Every week you have qualified clients that are always waiting to buy. All right. Very, very powerful. Okay. So another reason is one message, many leads. One message goes to many leads. So instead of sending the same updates to every contact individually, share it once to your WhatsApp community. So it's faster, it's more organized, and it keeps everyone informed. All right. So one message, send it to the leads. Everybody see it. Everybody engage with it. Everybody reads it, and it helps them to qualify themselves every single time. All right. So the key takeaway here is that Meta Ads brings attention. Yes, it helps you get a lot of leads. All right. And it's now after that has been done, the WhatsApp community builds trust. It keeps building trust day by day for you. All right. Now the trust leads to more conversions, to more conversations. All right. Now the conversation leads to site inspections. All right. Now the site inspection leads to property sales, more sales. So that is the flow. Now this is the funnel flow again from the Meta ads to the WhatsApp DM. To the WhatsApp DM, they are being added to the WhatsApp community politely, right? Now after that, then in that WhatsApp community, they get updates, they get educational update, they get ROI update, they get information that will help them, information that will help them avoid wrong properties. So you are not just selling to them, you're also informing them about how they should identify a wrong property. So this helps to build even more trust because they know that you are helping them now. You don't just want to collect their money. All right. So this is very, very powerful. This is the funnel that we use to close multiple deals without pressure, without pressuring the leads to buy, without pursuing and chasing the leads to buy. We put them into this system and we nurture them every day. So the goal is to add more leads. The more leads you add in the community, the more qualified leads you get every week, every week, every week. So this is the system we use. So if you find this insightful, like, share, and subscribe. My name is Blessed Ushendo. I help realtors get qualified leads using this strategy. If you'd like to work with me, my number is in the description and also in the comment section below. See you.